to extend the MCO, I macam ada interest in doing crochet. So I bought myself a yarn and also a crochet kit. Okay, this is color pink, my favorite color, and ada 100 pieces. All the jarums here and the needles and the ruler. Bought this dekat Shopee. If you guys want the link, I will drop down below. I saw a few videos on TikTok. Macam they made a cardigan vest out of yarn. So I macam, oh my god. These are the colors. Got black, pink, orange, lilac, yellow, blue, navy blue, green. The last one is this mixed yarn. The type of yarns yang I bought, dia milk cotton. So baca review, orang semua suka guna yarn ni sebab dia tak gatal. Also dia macam lembut. Ni sumpah first time nak buat. Lepas tu tiba projek yang gila tut punya extreme nak buat terus cardigan. I wanted to challenge myself. Now is 1 o'clock, 1 PM, 2nd July. So I wanted to challenge myself within 24 hours to do this thing. Let's see if I made it. See you guys in the next clip. Okay, hi. So good morning everyone. So today, sekarang pukul 11:24, 3rd July. So I have another 2 hours, 1.5 sebenarnya hours to go before pukul 1, which I did a betting semalam yang I can manage to siap my crochet within 24 hours. The bad news is malam I procrastinate sampai malam baru nak buat. Biasalah. So the result, I just dapat buat 2 square crochet. Also this one tersalah buat. Sepatutnya jadi petak but jadi bulat because I salah satu step. Onto my 3rd square. Hopefully the size is maintained because this one semua makin lama makin sengit. Okay, wish me luck.
Apa tu Facebook for that particular neighborhood. Nama dia start.
Update, today is 11, cannot see, 11 July, 3 o'clock. I only made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plain, 1 single stitch crochet, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 green granny square and also 2 purple granny square. Supposedly ni patutnya petak tapi jadi bulat. I don't know why. So I think I don't want to do a cardigan. I'm gonna start small. I think I want to make a hat macam ni. Let me show you. I only need 6 granny square and 1 top of hat ni. Tu je lah. And also the rim of the hat. Okay. Hey guys, so I know it's been a month since my last update. So right now it's 3:35 AM and it is Wednesday, 11 August. So yeah, I'm a bit off track because I've been busy with my masters and all. And so yeah, I finished my masters. And this is my template. Trying to patch up these panels into this. So this one supposed to be my back. As you can see, I'm a noob and the size is not the same. You see, here is bigger and here is smaller, and this one is not the same size with the pink one. And my granny square is so messed up. It looks like a circle, but it was supposed to be square, so I don't know. Yeah, so let me try to stitch this thing here into this one. I've got a long way to go. I am supposed to stitch 56 panels, but right now I only have 34-ish, so a long way to go. And yeah, maybe I need more than 54 panels, 56 panels, because the size is very small. It is only the size of my palm. To make a cardigan, I think it needs more for my size. So let's continue. Right now I'm rearranging the squares to see whether this size fits with the other one. So I'm gonna do a basic stitch. This is my first time crocheting, you know, so bear with me, okay? So I just tied up these two patch together with a black yarn. Bear with me, guys. Hee-haw, okay? It is 6:16 AM, guys, and I finished patching the back up. Okay, so this is the back. It's still messy, but I'll try to clean up the loose ends nanti bila dah semua siap. Okay, so I'm gonna do subuh prayer and then sleep. Right, Coco? Coco kan? Ini sayang ni. Oh, kucing ni garang tau. Coco. Oh, hey guys, it's 27 August and it is 8 PM. So, oh my god, I took this. Okay, so I finally made it. This is the hands. This is for my arm. This is the front. And this is the back. And this is my other arm. So I'm going to patch both of these together. Here and here. Hey guys, it's Saturday and hari ni 28 Ogos pukul 12. I finally did it. Crop cardigan. I'm excited to try this on and take pictures. Okay. Yay. So sebulan je, bukan satu hari nak siapkan benda Allah ni. And I'm proud of it. Inilah bajunya. So as you can see, nampak tak belakang ni, dia more like a crop top. Okay, tengok ni. Supposedly nak buat warna macam pastel, tapi benang tak cukup. So that's why yang sebelah sini colour dia macam darker tone, yang sini cerah. And saya belum habis kemaskan lagi jahitan dia, so banyak yang terbuka. Sepatutnya kita kena buat ribbing, tapi I tak buat tu. I didn't do that, so I just buat kemasan macam biasa je. This one is supposed to be a granny square, tapi tak tahu lah, ni tak jadi. Ni boleh lah. Yang ni dia macam tertimbul and dia jadi bulat, jadi petak, so tak cukup, dia jadi tertonjol. Ini pun sama, nampak ni macam jerawat. Korang rasa macam mana? On ke tak on baju ni? Ke macam boleh lah. Sepatutnya nak buat dalam masa 1 hari. Memang tak lah weh. Ni mengambil masa dalam masa 1 bulan. Sebab busy kerja, buat assignment apa semua. So 1 bulan. Benang tak cukup semua. I failed. Totally failed the challenge. Okay, so kalau korang ada any idea apa lagi yang patut saya crochetkan ataupun apa benda yang you guys nak DIY kan, please comment down below. And don't forget to please subscribe to my channel and like and share this video. Okay, stay safe and I see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.